remember how you introduced to me sharing unfiltered.
Mm-hmm.
And how that made sense to me was, again, daring to be vulnerable enough to let out what's showing itself in my experience before I understand it, before I rationalize it. And again, it in part becomes very vulnerable. Daring to share that with you makes it possible for me to be intimately vulnerable together with you and discover that this is not only okay, but it's a more of a richness, more of a closeness, and building trust and intimacy with you. It also makes it possible for me to have a deeper connection with my immediate experience as it arises in my body, or perhaps straight from the unconsciousness.
Because we want to keep away from the storytelling, the intellectualization, the theory behind it. No, just the purest sensation and emotion. That's all. Which actually takes the pressure off. I don't have to understand what I'm feeling. So, should we give an example what that can be like?
I think we should.
Yes.